this tutorial, we're gonna see how to add cinematic black bars at the top and at the bottom of a video. So let's get started. So the first thing we gotta do is go to the effects panel, search for linear wipe. Drag this effect on top of your clip, go to the effects controls, and scroll down until you see the linear wipe effect. Change the transition completion rate to 10%, and the wipe angle, change it to 180 degrees. There you go, we got our first black bar at the top, and we need to add one at the bottom as well. To do that, select your linear wipe effect and basically copy it and paste it using your keyboard. So hit Ctrl C to copy it, and then hit Ctrl V to paste it. Go to the second linear wipe effect that we just made, and basically just change the wipe angle to 0 degrees. And there you go. That's how you easily add two black bars at the bottom and at the top of your clip. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more tips and tricks about Premiere Pro, feel free to check out this next tutorial.